Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can stop your CPU overheating issue. So let's get started and let's get into the video. In this video we are going to be talking about how you can fix your CPU overheating issue. So first of all, you have to go into the control panel. For that you have to click start menu, then you have to search control panel. So here is control panel, I'm going to click over there. After that you have to select it is going to be selected on category. You have to select view by large icons and then you have to click power options. After that you have to go and click change plane settings. After that you have to click change advanced power settings, and after that you have to click processor power management. Here you are going to see maximum power processor state and you are going to click on battery percentage. You have to click and then you have to type in 90 and you have to go select plugged in percentage to 90 as well, and then you have to click OK, apply and OK. And OK. And then you are going to click this. You are going to type you are going to press Control Shift Escape and it will open the task manager, and after that you have to go on startup apps, and then you are going to see the apps which are enabled which are launched when you start up your PC. So you have to disable the apps which are unnecessary, like I have disabled, and then you are going to go into start menu again, and then you are going to type in programs, and here is programs, and here you will see an option add or remove program. You are going to click this tab, and after that you have to uninstall apps which are unnecessary and which you don't use. I have all the apps in use, so that's why I'm not going to uninstall them, and after that you will be able to stop overheating of your CPU or PC. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button and subscribe button if you like our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.